Good morning. I'm Dan, drinking coffee, having a good time. We got another exorcism problem here. Clock. Seems simple. It's a medium challenge. I feel like we're going to be using dates, which means we're going to be using MDN because I don't remember any of that stuff. Let's check it out. Seems pretty simple. Implement a clock that handles times without dates. Son of a brisket. Okay. So we basically have to implement some date functions. You should be able to add and subtract minutes. Two clocks that represent the same time should be equal to each other. That's all I get? Okay, so we have to learn everything about this from the tests. I already have watch going down here. New clock. So I guess we got a class. Good. Okay. 8. Okay, we get the hours. Okay, we get the hours and we get the minutes. Ooh. Oh, I see. It cycles through. Some modulus stuff going on here. Mod 60 action. Right? And then mod 24. Wait, not 24. We're doing 24? Yeah, we're doing 24. Ooh, good. -1. Damn it, it's that same thing as the last thing that I did, where if it goes backwards, it has to loop forward. I hate working out that math in my head. I wonder if I just go back and look at the equation. There's this equation that says, like, if you give me a number, I will wrap back to the maximum if I hit the minimum, or if I hit 0 or negative. Well, -25 is 23, because you subtract 24. Oh, no. Oh, can you just do mod 24 and then do 24 minus whatever the result of that is if it's negative? Dun, dun, dun. I think so. I think that would work. This would be 5. This would be 1, right? And 24 minus 1. Yeah. All right. Let's get into it. There's like a ton of tests in this, so this is gonna be a lot of failing. It's okay. We get our minutes, hours. Good. 0. We've got the defaults on there, and then we can't use a date, so mins hours. Okay. You know, I like this pattern that I saw in another person's answer the other day, where the constructor basically only calls out to other functions like set time. Right? That way other functions, right, can use that and not be calling the constructor. A little bit of a redundant situation there, but why not? ToString. And okay, easy enough. There's that thing where you can left pad. It's newer in JavaScript. String pad start, I want to say. So, oh, it's not that easy though. We need to set the mins. Well, let's start with this. Okay. Colon. The thing. It's gonna be this is going to be an integer. What's the best way to convert it to a string? This dot mins dot to string should work. Dot pad, yeah, pad start, and that takes the length and the fill. Length is 2, fill is 0. And why did I do mins first? Why? Okay, we still failed. Set time is not a function. That is true. That is a fact. All right, so we got that, but we're not doing any of the wrapping business. Oh boy, this is gonna be a thing. I mean, this is the whole problem right here, the wrapping business. So if it's negative, we want to do equals. If you do mod negative number, is that just positive? This is the fastest way I can execute JavaScript. I should really have a better solution for this. Negative 91 mod 24. That's negative. Okay. But is it the same as this? Yeah. Okay. So I just need to take the absolute value of the mod. Mod. Because those could change. Okay, if we're negative, do the absolute value. You know what? We do care if it's negative. Because we want to subtract. But I kind of only want to do this once, because we can take the absolute value of the thing, and that's fine for both of them. Let's do this. Time. I don't know what to call this variable. It's the hours reduced. I don't know. Whatever. It's fine. And then we can check if that was negative. We do equals 24 minus. Okay. Otherwise, it stays the same. Okay, we can do rollover number here. Because this is going to be the same. Right? You know what I'm saying? You guys following this? It's the same for hours and minutes, so why not pull it out and just do it here? Right, right, right. No. Return. Did I do all those things right? I think so. Rollover numbers. All right. That seems to work for that one. Let's try one that rolls over. Yeah. Love it. Let's do a lot of these. Oh my gosh, so many tests. Okay, let's do all the add ones. Okay, cool, we got one. 60 minutes is next hour. I didn't think about that. If it's greater than 60, we actually add to the hours. Why didn't I think of that? Okay. So this doesn't work for minutes. This works for hours. Minutes. Oh boy. We would take the divide by the limit. Math.floor. So we just drop the remainder. This is the remainder. And then we need to take that and add it. Okay, so, oh, what am I doing here? What am I doing here? How did that work? Oh, because 60 is higher, so it's just gonna be fine. And it did that one first. Oh man, that's weird, right? Okay. This actually is fine if we get the if we pull this off first. Oh, we almost got it. Okay, negative 60 minutes of the previous hour. Son of a... Negative 61 divided by 60. Oh, okay, so it's abs. So I think we just need the absolute value. Wait, what happened? Weren't these working? No, they're not. What did we get? Negative means minus an hour. Son of a... You know what I kind of want to do? Plus and minus. No, I don't. But I think this is going to use some of the same logic. Okay, I think a rollover number is not... That is only working for hours, so why have it as its own thing? This is good, but I need to do the same thing. I need to actually check if the original was negative, and then change this to subtract. No, wait, wouldn't it be negatives and then plus a negative? Shouldn't that work? Hold on. I think this was working. Yeah, those were all working. It's just this one didn't work for some reason. Because it's 60. Exactly. Negative 60. I gave it 1. I got 160. Oh, rollover minutes didn't work properly. This should have been 0. 60 mod 60. Right? Can we isolate that test? Which one is it? What is the bug? What did I do? And then let's log in here. Debugging using console log. Well, what is this? Okay. 60. -0. What? What is going on here? Absolute number is -60. Limit is 60. -60 mod 60. Abs number is 0. Number is less than 0. Abs number equals limit minus abs number. Limit is 60 minus 0 is 60. -0 is... Wait. Abs number is 0, but I think abs number is negative. Oh, I'm checking if the original was negative. The original is negative. Yeah. It is negative, but it's 0. I think this is this a single edge case, or do I need more here? I think this is a single edge case. Sure. Good tests, man. What failed? Oh gosh. Okay, cool. All right. Cool. Now we're on to the next failing test, which is toString of undefined. Okay, +3. So 10 plus 3 is going to be 1003. All right. I wonder, yeah, now we're going to probably have to like pull some of this out into, or no, we could set time maybe. Maybe set time just works for these too. Set time, this dot hours, this dot mins plus mins. Nope. This hours, mins. Type that all correctly. Hours, yeah. What's the issue? Oh, what are all these logs? Cannot read property toString of return. Hey, we did it. Hey, we did it. Oh wait, I didn't unblock everything. I think we're almost there. Can we just do the equals? Equals gets a clock. And I think we can just compare the two strings, right? Oh, all of them are uncommented. All of them are running. And they all pass. Wow. Well, that was quick. Okay. Can we... Ah, I don't like what happened here. I don't like what happened here. I feel like there's a better way to organize this code. It feels messy. It feels weird. Like these things are using it. This thing's not. Ah. What's a better way to organize this code? Maybe I should just look at the people's solutions. Let's do that. So I bet they have something good going on here. Let's see. Let's see what the clever people did. Offset minutes. Day and minutes. Minutes passed. Oh, they're translating everything into minutes. And then calculating hours math.floor. So putting everything into minutes, that way you could subtract minutes and it will subtract the hours too. Oh, clever. Clever. And then a getter and setter where the hour just is based off the minutes. Oh, I like that. That's good. And then minus just calls plus with negative. Smart, smart, smart. And then, yeah, because here you're only working with minutes, so put everything into the common form. Ah, this is great. Good job. This person. Good work. Did everybody else do that and I was just an idiot? No. Parse minutes. Parse hours. Well, that's interesting. Oh. Whoops. Yeah, this is similar to what I was doing. This is the very sort of iterative and long form solution. Still readable though, still nice. Let's look at what this Mario guy did. Whoa, the constructor. Fancy constructor. Then, oh, and then use the, put everything in the constructor, then use the constructor. So this is similar to pulling everything out, but instead you're just like creating new objects of itself. Ah, this is great. This is great stuff. I want to refactor mine to use just minutes, but I'm out of time, so I'll do it later.